Brooke. Back up. I am the VIP queen. My first video. You have to say the same thing I said. Otherwise, it will take like 10 minutes to find my videos with yours. Which, oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god. Yes, please, please, please. Oh my god. No. First video. F-R-I-S-T. Not first. No. First video. No. Okay. I am the queen of VIPs. First video. Yay! There is a account giveaway on the, not the star coin one, the other one. Make sure to watch it. Someone here. Okay, she found my YouTube thing. Yay! Okay. Okay, my hand's getting really sweaty. This girl finally found my account. Okay. I'm gonna watch my movie, I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna check my movie because I don't know how it turned out because I forgot to watch them. Okay. Send me, greet me. VIP tickets, please. I really need them. Okay, please let me play. Okay. Okay. Come on, load my movie, please. Okay. I'm so sorry. You can watch the movie like when you friend me or like when you're done with the movie. So sorry, it's just really laggy. So thank you guys for watching and make sure you subscribe. Bye!